Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones JBL Wave 300 TWS with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. It entered to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. Now click on it and then pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!